Good morning to everyone. And today we are going to start a very important topic that we could not complete yesterday. So yesterday I gave some homework to you to write electronic configuration. So many students send, and in that some have confusion. Okay, some students have done correctly, but some students have confusion. Okay, so that we will discuss here, and after that we can write the electronic configuration of any element. So some rule we will discuss here about orbital, how to fill the electrons and how to remove the electrons. We have already discussed how to fill electron, but here we will discuss how to remove electron from the orbitals. So some students are confused how to remove from where to remove. So that will be discussed here. Okay. So let us see here some points you should note here. Just see. First point. First one we can write I am trading here. Energies of orbitals. Energies of orbitals. Okay. Let us see. So here this point all of the note is first here if n value if value of n is increasing, so energy of orbitals increases. Value of n increasing, orbitals energy increases. Like this, we have written just here. First point, orbitals energies increases, orbitals energy increase with increase of n value with increase of n value. Just I'm right here. Like this, we have to just also like 1s2, 1s, 2s. Like this, energy is increasing like we have always. 2p, that is 3s, 3p, that is we have just. So just for the same, here, what we will see, value of that is 2 and this is 2. So energy of that orbital is higher than this. And this value is 2 is why coefficient rated here before the orbitals. They show the energy level. Just listen. They show the energy level. So orbitals have higher value. Have more energy. So just always see here. If we talk about 1s and 2s, just see 1s and 2s. So energy of that is value of this is high than this. So that orbital energy is higher. That orbital's energy increase of n value. Is as the n value increases, orbital's energy increases. Got it? This one. On increasing n value, orbital's energy increase. Like this also we can say on increasing n value, orbital's energy increase. So here if we talk about 1s, here 2s is energy of this orbital is higher than 1s. This clear? But confusion is there. If in same cell, like 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. So their confusion is there. Whose energy is high? So that we will discuss it. In this, I think everybody is clear that 2s energy is higher than 1s, 3s energy is higher than 2s, like that. 2, 3p energy is higher than 2p, like that we are able to understand, because here we can see n values. Those orbitals has higher n value, their energy is high. In simple word, we can say. Got it? This point? All of you got? Orbitals having high n value have higher energy. Like that we can say. Okay. But the question is there, when two orbitals have same n value, then that is how to decide the energy of the orbitals. Energy of the orbitals. Okay. So in that case, we will do one thing. We will do one thing here. Just all of you see. If I am writing here, just second one here, 3s, 3p, and 3p. So in this case, it is difficult to tell the energy of the orbitals, because in the three orbitals, value of them is same. Value of them is same. So in this case, we use one rule, that is n plus L rule. What is n plus L? To find energy in this case, we will use n plus L. This is the rule. In this case, we will use that to find the energy of orbitals of same cell. They are in same cell. They are in same cell. In this case, to count the energy, to calculate the energy, we follow n plus L. Okay. So, our timing, I am telling some value, just all of you learn it. Just all of you learn it. Here, if yes, orbital, this one see here I am writing. Yes, orbitals are writing here. Orbitals and value of L. Yes, we have not discussed this, but just all of you learn it. When we will discuss, it will be clear. So if the orbital is yes, value of that value is 0. Note it all of you. If P is there, P orbital value of that is 1. Value of L is 1. If D is that, value of that is 2. Okay? And if F is that, value of that is 3. This much all of the note and like that. If S orbital, value of that is, value of it will be 0. If P orbital, value of it will be 1. If D orbital, value of L will be 2. And if F orbital, value of L will be 3. Got it? This all of you note it here. So by using that rule, we can calculate the energy of orbitals of same cell. Listen, orbitals of same cell energy we are going to calculate. If they orbitals are of different cell, we can clearly say that has more energy, which has higher value of n. Got it? Orbitals has higher value of n, has more energy in normal. But if orbitals are of same cell, then it is confusion how to calculate the energy of that orbitals. So in that case, what we use n plus L. What is n plus L? And what does this say here? For n, we have not discussed the quantum numbers. So just for timing, all of you that value of L for. So if S orbital is that, value of L will be 0. If P orbital is that, value of that will be 1. D orbital, value of that will be 2. And we get it. Okay. So if we will follow this rule, what we have to do? Just love you. Listen, what we have to do? We have to do one. We have to add both values. Both values we have to add, and which one has higher value has more energy. If some n plus n is high, that orbital has higher. Simple. If sum of n plus L is high, that orbital has high energy in comparison to other that have less n plus n values. So here I am writing a solution. For this I am going to calculate. Just see. Just For this past 3 years orbital, I am going to calculate the energy. So what is this? For n, this value so n, I told you this value so n. Got it? This value so n. So for this 3 plus here s is there, and for s orbital, what is the value of that? What is that?
0.
Three plus one. Got it? What is the value? 4. Got it? Anybody has doubt about this?
No, sir.
Okay. And so n value is 3 plus 3. What is the value? What is the value? 2. What is 5? Just what I'm saying. In same cell, we got different value of n plus l. We got different values of n plus l, and which orbital has more value of n plus l higher n. So among these, 3D has highest energy. 3D has highest energy. And then this got it this point? Got it? One time I would like to we are writing
Subhasis, please mute your mic.
per atom. If we are writing, so that is no problem. But if we are writing the electronic configuration of ions, so in that case we have to remove some electron. So there may be confusion from where we should remove the electron. Okay. So for that, here this should here this, and what is there are some rule that we say n plus n. So what is the first rule of n plus l? First rule is that the orbitals has higher value of n. Orbitals has higher value of n have more energy. First point. Clear? Second point, what I wrote here. If different substances are there, means like this 3s, 3d, like this. Here it is difficult for us to calculate or differentiate energy of these orbitals. So for this we use n plus l rule, and for which orbital n plus l value is higher, n plus l value is higher, that has more energy. You might be knowing just all of see here. By giving some example, I will give you just all of see. If we are writing electronic configuration of calcium, if we are writing electronic configuration of calcium, so what is it? 1s2, 3s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6, and then what is that? 4s2. You got it? 4s2. What chart we need for above? What chart we need for above? What chart we need for above? We will follow. So in this case, we can write very simply. Just calcium electronic configuration we have written. But if we are going to write calcium ion electronic configuration, calcium ion electronic configuration. So if we talk about this here, calcium ion electronic configuration. So in this, if we are writing C2, this ion, this atom has two electrons. From where electron will be removed, which one has higher value of? So in this case, which one has higher value? In this case, also in this case, which one has higher value of n? Which one has higher value of n? Which one?
4s.
Has higher value of n?
Sir, 4s2.
4s. Okay. So electron will be removed from that. Got it? All of you got it? Anybody has doubt about this? How to remove electrons from the orbitals? Yes or no? So those who have doubt, please.
Sir, once more, please.
Okay. Just want to see here. If we are writing the electronic configurations of atoms, simply be right. Simply be right. Simply be right. But if we are writing the electronic configuration of ions, so there is confusion from which cell or from which orbitals electrons will be removed. So for that, we have learned analysis of orbitals. Analysis of orbitals. In this case, we will get some rule, and with the help of that, we can write correct electronic configuration. So what is first rule? First rule says that orbitals analysis in orbitals analysis increase with increase of n. If n value is increasing, orbitals energy will increase. So that we have followed here. Just look, see that we have followed. We have to move two electrons, and always electrons are being removed from outermost cell. So in this we see 4s is showing fourth cell. So electron is fourth cell. This is outermost, and electron will be removed from this. Okay, clear this? And next, second point, what is if same cell has many orbitals? Same cell has many orbitals. In that case, we will follow n plus L. So what is the n plus L rule? N plus L rule says that the orbitals which has high value of n plus L has higher energy in comparison to other orbitals have less n plus L values. Okay, so this we have discussed, and for that L values we have not discussed the quantum number. After this we will discuss. So for that I will put some values for time being equal here. Orbitals like S orbital, so value of L will be 0, and P orbital value of that will be 1, and for D orbital value of that will be 2, and F orbital value of that will be 3. So like this we can learn, and we can calculate the energy of different orbitals of same cell. Energy of different orbitals of same cell. Okay, so like this we can calculate. Clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so some question I
Yes.
made. Because of that, I made questions to write the electronic configurations. You have done so many students have written correctly, but some students could not write properly. They have from the electrons. So I have question. So by that I will go. Here, let me see the question up. Like this question, if we see about this, after 21, just want to see. So after 21, I given you this time here, and what is that? All I will write here. Just O minus S minus just about friends F minus this, and these are the NIS. These are the S. So total electron this will be 10. So what will write? 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6. For this, and sulfur it is 16. Normal case it comes to 16, but if 2 electrons are added to this, that will be 18. So what will be 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 is 6, 3 is 2, 3 is 6. That is, if F is there, atomic number is 9, and if one electron is added, this is it carrying it contain 1 minus that it has gained 1 electron. So atomic number will be checked, and you write 1 is 2, 3 is 2, 2 is 6. I have told you how to check your configuration or atomic number is correct or incorrect. So you can write 4, 6 plus 8 plus 2. So this we have done. These are the about the anions. Okay, and I'm going to anions here. Just look, see, both are the right here. So cation and One was that Br minus plus one and else I given Br minus also. Okay, so what you can write by following the chart you can write electronic configuration of this. So what you will reading what you wrote that 4s2 with the 3d10 and 4s2 that you have written, and after that you can write that 4p6. After that you can write 4p6 you can write, and that will be the definition of this. Can you write it? Means up to 30 we have written.
Yes, sir.
30 we have already discussed, and here p is there, so it will be this 36 is there. So next vector will go in p4p are vital and we write 4p6. Got it? So like this we can write.
Yes, sir.
And thing here just to see. So first person is this here potassium, potassium atomic is here A plus. Total atomic number of this one is, what is atomic number of this one is 90. But one positive charge means it has lost one electron. It has lost one electron. So it is better to write electron things like 1s2, s2, 2p6, 3s2 will be just about the same. This will be the electronic configuration. Just if I am writing this, just about the same. 4s1. This is the electronic configuration of potassium. But for ions, it carry one charge, so it moves one electron. So electron will be removed from where? Outermost, and in this which one is outermost? Outermost has higher value of n. This cell value is highest. Then this which one has highest value? You see, 4s has highest value, so electron will be removed from that. So what is the correct electronic configuration of this one? Will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This. Got it? Anybody has doubt about this? Anybody has doubt about this? Clear to all? Everybody
Sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next we are going to see
Yes, sir.
problem. Maybe start here. I know that lots of maximum students have problem here. Just I have had this candy. Just want to see. I have written this candy. Yes. So that we can calculate 1s2, 3s2, 2p6, 3s2, 2p6, and 2s2 and 3p1. Just want to look here. Here, is here. How to remove electron from here? That is the main confusion, and maximum students have confusion about this. So here we have to write electronic configuration of scandium is ions. Okay, so we have to remove one electron. Just all of you look at the board. We have to remove one electron. So from where electron will be removed? From where electron will be removed? From where? Which one has highest value of n? Here first we will listen one more point. If you are going to remove electrons, so first thing you check which one has highest value of. From that electron will be removed. Okay, from that electron will be removed. So if we talk about this here, so I think this one it is written first, but that is 4s is the outermost. Yes or no? A cell which has highest value of n is outermost cell, and always electrons are being removed from outermost. Got it this one? Just if you want, you can note always electrons are being removed from outermost cell. So if we wrote the electronic configuration, we have to check which one is the outermost cell. So here, which one is the outermost cell? Which one has highest value of n? So among these, which one has the highest value of n? Which one? Some of us say, which one has the highest value of n?
4s.
4s. So electron will be removed from Electron will be removed from 4s.
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 Okay, so correct electronic configuration output will be just like that. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and just what we can do here, what is 2s1 and 3p1. This is the correct electronic configuration of scandium, and many students did this here. So I thought it is better to explain this, okay? And some more are there, like ferric. Just sort of say, after this ferric is there, ferric is there, or vanadium is there. What is ferric or vanadium? What is that? Ferric or vanadium? What is that? Are you listening me? Students, are you listening me? Is it audible? Okay, so I'm going to write about ferric here. So what is the first we will write electronic configuration of ferric? Okay, so atomic number of is what is 26. Atomic number of ferric is 26. So let us write the electronic configuration of Fe. Then we will put two ions. Okay, so what will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3p6. That's what here. I have written. Write the electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration, and here you have to concentrate your mind. Here you have to concentrate your mind. What I will do that will be applied here. Just now see, we have to change it in. Just now see here. Fe3 plus means we have to remove how many electrons? How many electrons we have to remove? If Fe plus 3 is that?
Sir,
3 electrons.
Removed? Yes or no? Say yes or no. How
Yes,
many
sir.
removed?
Yes, sir.
3 electrons
Three
removed
electrons.
here. So let us say
3 electrons.
3 electrons will be removed. So first we will check outermost shell. Yes. So just let us say outermost shell is got it. Fourth cell is outermost. Just let us see. Fourth cell is outermost. So if we have removed 2 electrons to be removed, one more electron we have to remove. Yes or no? Just all of you look at over here. I have written Fe electronic configuration. And to convert this Fe plus 3, we have to remove 3 electrons from that. 3 electrons we have to remove from that. For removal electron, we always check outermost cell or higher energy orbital. We can see. First, we check outermost cell. And which one is outermost cell? Which has high value of n. Which has high value of n. So, among these, we see, just to say that 4s has high value of 4s has high value of. So, 2 electrons will be removed from there. This is clear.
yes, sir.
From there, and one more electron we have to remove. Just now see, one
That's
more
not-
electron we have to remove. Then for that, what we will use? We will use n plus
Sir, from 3D.
L rule we will use. Just all of you look at board. Please one more time. Pay attention here. What I told, we have 3 electrons. So we can remove 2 electrons from outermost. That is clear. But for third electron, we have to see what? Which orbital has highest energy? Because just let us see here. Just all of you see. If I remove 2 electrons from that, if I remove 2 electrons from that, so 3s, 3p, and 3d is there. Look at board. If I remove this 4s2, so 3s, 3p, and 3d is there. And now we have to decide from which orbitals we have to remove electron. So here we will follow n plus L. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
n plus k rule here on these three articles. On three articles because their n value is same. Their n value is same. So we will apply n plus l. So for this, if I am applying n plus l rule, just cross here. For this, if I am applying n plus l rule, so n value is 3 and n value is 2. So it will be 3. Just look. And here if I am applying 3 plus 1, so it value is 4. Got it? And for that, I am applying here 3 plus 2, so this value is 5. So which one has highest value of n plus l?
Sir, 3D2.
3D. So electron will be removed from
3D2, sir.
3D. Got it?
3D.
All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Then if we remove the electron to different directions, electronic configuration of this will be just to say 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6, and we have removed 3 electrons. 2 electrons from this and 1 electron from that. So if we have removed the electron, we will not write this 4 as well because there is no electron. What will be 3p? This is the electronic configuration of ferric ion. Got it? Understood? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Some students still have confusion. Those who have confusion, please ask. I know some students have little confusion, so clear your confusion. One more time. Some students want sir to revise once
Sir,
more.
repeat one more time.
I am going to revise once more. Okay? Just want to see here.
Sir, give some more.
Yes?
Sir, give some more example.
Yes, I will give it. So let me explain here. Then we can do it. Other example if we are taking like this, we can take other example. Second, I gave. Just you can take for chromium. You can take for chromium. Minus ions are possible. To for chromium, if you are writing chromium plus 3. If electronic configuration of this one is being asked, chromium plus 3. The first we will write electronic configuration here. For chromium, we will write 1s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6, 4s1, correct one I am writing, and 3d5. Just to see. 3d5 as well. And you have to convert it into chromium plus 2. So what you will do is you have to remove 3 electrons from out. So 1 electron from that outermost and 2 electron from that will be removed. So what will be the actual electron configuration of chromium? 1s2, 3s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6. This we will not write, and 1 from this and 2 from that. So what will be the 3D? This is the electronic configuration of chromium ions. Got it? Yes or no? Is it audible?
Understood.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it is clear. Just all of you listen. 1 minute, time is going to be over. So in that, when we are removing the electrons, first we will see cell, means n value, which one has highest value, electron will be removed from that. After that, if we have to remove some more electrons, so we will apply n plus l rule, and by applying n plus l rule, which orbitals has higher value of n plus l, electron will be removed from that. You remember this. Okay, and that we are following for writing electronic configuration of these ions. Got it? So time is up, and if some students have doubt, you can comment. Anybody has doubt?